How to make a simple design in Adobe Illustrator. First, take Ellipse tool and make a circle. Copy that like this. Now select both the circles and click Shape Builder tool. By holding Alt, make your shape. Take Scissor tool and select 2 anchor points. Now adjust the stroke size according to you. Go to Object Blend and Make. After that, go to Object Blend and Blend Options. Now select Specified Steps and increase the value to 3. Now by pressing Ctrl and G, group them. Now make a copy by going to Edit, Copy and Paste in front. Now rotate to 180 degrees. Adjust them like this. Now group them. Select and make a copy and rotate it to 180 degrees. Adjust it like this. Now your desired design is ready. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.